Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you what happens when the user denies the debtor demographic Syncvite. Debtor demographic data refers to all the debtor's personal information such as their name, surname, ID number, telephone number, address, etc. A Syncvite is an invitation that the practice sends to the patient asking them to share their personal information. The patient has the choice if they would like to share the demographic information with the practice. When a practice would like to get demographic information from a patient, they are able to send a Syncvite to the patient to request such information. For more information regarding how to send a Syncvite, please refer to the Debtor Demographic Syncvite user manual, linked in this video's description. Once the patient has declined the Syncvite, the practitioner will be able to see that the patient would not like to share the demographic details. For more information regarding how the patient can respond to the Syncvite, please refer to the Debtor Demographic Syncvite MyGC user manual, linked in this video's description. From the diary screen, click on a booking of the patient that the user has sent a Syncvite to and are awaiting a response for. The diary sidebar will open. For a full explanation of the diary sidebar functionality, please refer to the Debtor Sidebar Functionality user manual, linked in this video's description. Click on the MyGC button. An attention pop-up will appear to advise that the patient has responded and decided to decline the Syncvite. Click on the OK button to acknowledge and close the pop-up. Please note that once the patient has declined the Syncvite, the user will only be able to resend a new Syncvite once a new booking is made for the patient. For more information regarding when a patient accepts the request, please refer to the Debtor Demographic Syncvite Accepted user manual, linked in this video's description.